Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sana Ashraf. Today's my topic is terpenoids. So in this lecture we will discuss about introduction of terpenoids, definition, ISOPRENE rule, classification of terpenoids, why terpenoids in pharmacy, what is physical properties of terpenoids, and what is its chemical properties, biogenesis pathways, and what is functions of terpenoids. So let's start about introduction. There are many different classes of naturally occurring compounds. Terpenoids also form a group of naturally occurring compounds, majority of which occur in plants. A few of them have also been obtained from other sources. They occur widely in the leaves and fruits of higher plants, citrus and eucalyptus. Terpenes are hydrocarbons and components of resin, and also turpentine produced from resin. Word terpene is derived from turpentine. When terpenes are modified chemically, such as by oxidation or rearrangement of carbon skeleton, the resulting compounds are known as terpenoids. Terpenoids can be thought of as modified form of terpenes. Terpenoids are the hydrocarbons of plant origin of central formula C5H8 as well as their oxygenated, hydrogenated and dehydrogenated derivatives. Terpenoids are regarded as derivatives of polymer of isoprene. They consist of a complex mixture of terpenes, alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, acids and esters. Isoprene. Isoprene is a common name for 2-methyl-buta-1,3-diene. One isoprene unit consists 5 carbon atoms. You can see in this picture, one isoprene unit contains 5 carbon atoms. ISOPRENE rule states that isoprene units are joined in the terpenoids via head to tail fashion, but this rule can only be used as guiding principle, not as fixed rule. Like for example, carotenoids are joined to tail ether central, not head to tail. Thermal decomposition of terpenoids give isoprene as one of the product. Classification of terpenoids. The terpenoids can be classified according to the number of isoprene units that comprises the parent terpene. Hemiterpenoids, which consist of one isoprene unit. Monoterpenoids, which consist of two isoprene units. Sesquiterpenoids, which consist of 3 isoprene units. Diterpenoids, which consist of 4 isoprene units. Sesquiterpenoids, which consist of 5 isoprene units. Triterpenoids, which consist of 6 isoprene units, and tetraterpenoids, which consist of 8 isoprene units, and the last one is polyterpenoids, which consist of long chain of isoprene unit. Why terpenoids in pharmacy? Terpenoids show biological activity like insecticidal and antiseptic action, thus useful in pharmacy. What is physical properties of terpenoids? These are odorless in nature, volatile at room temperature. They represent essence or active constituents of plant, hence called essential oil. Lighter than water, these have high refractive index, and these are optically active. And what is chemical properties? They consist of a complex mixture of terpenes or sesquiterpenes, alcohols, aldehydes, ketone, acid and esters. They are unsaturated compounds. They undergo addition reaction with hydrogen, halogen acids to form addition products. These are undergo polymerization and dehydrogenation in the ring. On thermal decomposition, terpenoids gives isoprene as one of the product. Biogenesis pathway. The two biosynthetic pathways leading to terpenoids are the malonate pathway, malonic acid from 3 molecules of acetyl-CoA, and the other is mevalonate independent pathway. Via 1-deoxydecellulose, 5-phosphate arises from a combination of 2 glycolytic pathway, intermediate namely pyruvic acid and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. The one is mevalonate pathway, predominantly used by plants and in a few insect species. and the other is non-mevalonate pathway or methyl D-erythritol 4-phosphate pathway, which occurs in plant chloroplast, algae, cyanobacteria, eubacteria, and important pathogens such as Mycobacterium tuberculosis and malaria parasites. What is the functions of terpenoids? Terpenoids are volatile substances which give plants and flowers their fragrances. They occur widely in the leaves and fruits of higher plants, conifers, citrus, etc. Terpenoids play an important and essential role in the broad range of biological functions like respiration chain, electron transport chain, cell wall and membranes biosynthesis. Plant terpenoids are used for the aromatic qualities and play a role in traditional herbal remedies. Terpenoids contribute to the scent of eucalyptus and flavors of cinnamon, cloves and ginger, and yellow color in sunflowers and the red color in tomatoes. For humans, carotenoids play an important role for health, like carotenoids with pro-vitamin A activity are important for vision. Other carotenoids influence of human immune function and gap junctional communication. Thank you so much.